In this session, let's learn about the extension to the group by called ROLLUP. Okay? So this is your group by example. We are grouping by the sales month and the product name, and we are displaying the summary data sales amount. Okay? It's a simple SQL, right? We are grouping by sales month, product name, and displaying the sales amount. And this is how the data looks. What if I want to display a total for every sales month? Can I do that? Yes, I can do that. That I can do using a roll up. Okay, so if you look at the report here, for every sales month we are displaying the total. Okay, for January 2015 the sum of sales amount is 400. For February 2015 the sum is 25,440. For March it is 63,060. For April it is 59,160, and for May it is 1,140, and the total is 149,200. You see how the subtotals and totals are displayed for the sales month? It's cool, right? Yes. And displaying the subtotals and totals is very easy. All you have to do is specify roll up and the list of your group by columns. That's all. Whenever you are using the roll up, it takes only the first group by column. Here it is sales month, right? So it will take this column, and for that column it will display the subtotals. If there are n distinct values in this column, it will display n plus 1 subtotals. So what is n here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many subtotals are there? N plus 1. It will be 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Cool, right? Okay. Now let's go and do this. So this is my sales data, and let me do the group by. Okay. Since this is at a day level, I'll use the trunc function. Okay. Trunc of sales date comma MON, and I'll call it as sales month, and I'll get the product name. Product name is in the product table. Product name comma sum of sales amount as sales amount from sales S comma product P where S dot product ID equal to P dot product ID group by, so this column and comma and this column. Okay, let me order by the same columns. Okay, and now let me run this. You see, it grouped by sales month and product name, and it gave us the total sales amount. Okay, now let's display the subtotals and totals for the sales month. So I'll use the function rollup. All I have to say is rollup bracket start, and at the end close it. That's it. Now let me run this. That's it. The subtotals and totals are displayed. You see, 2000, which is the sum of these two values. Next, this is the subtotal for these values, right? And for these 4 values, this is the subtotal. Like this, for every value in the sales month, it will display a subtotal, and at the end it will display the total of all the values, right? This will be cool, right? You can export this data into an Excel file and send it to your manager or whoever the business unit you are supporting. Cool, right? Yes.